this is Eric Stromquist, live from the Federal Witness Protection Program. Actually, we're doing Control Trends, people. I'm here with Joshua Felprin from Siemens Building Technology. Josh, thanks for taking a few minutes to come by and talk with us.
Hey, thank you very much for having me.
Yeah, let's talk about the Control Trends Awards. I usually don't wear a fedora inside, but since you're here, and I believe your hometown is Chicago?
It is.
Yeah, so Chicago's known for a couple of things. It's known for sports.
The Bears, the Bulls, the Cubs, we've got some great sport teams.
Well, great is maybe debatable, but let's say you guys got some great sports fans. Let's leave it at that.
Agreed.
So you're good for that. You're great for good food, great for beautiful architecture, and of course, gangsters. So hence the fedora.
I like that hat.
Yeah.
I like that hat.
Hey, you know what? You come to my place,
Wow.
this is how we roll, baby. So
I think I could rock this out in Chicago.
you know what? You look pretty good with that thing. You got to
Thank
get
you.
one because I tell you what, we're going to have a major show, Control Trends Award show in Chicago in conjunction with AHR. Our listeners know, Josh, that the awards take place January 26th from 6 to 8 at the Hyatt. So you can walk right over from the show to the Hyatt, and it's going to be a great show. We got a great theme. Hey, put your best gangster duds on. I mean, you know, a lot of people accuse us controls people of being gangsters. So, Josh, you got to wear the fedora there.
I will wear the fedora. Is hopefully I'll be stepping on stage to at least get one award, and I think our best nomination this year. You know, we're appreciative for all the nominations, but real excited about the VFD Product of the Year for the BT300.
Well, let's talk about that. You guys have brought out a new variable frequency drive this year, and we've seen it. We think it rocks. Other people I talk to think it's really special.
Mm-hmm.
For our listeners out there, Josh, tell them a little about what makes this so special.
It's a special VFD because of the engineering that's gone into the drive. It's very, very user-friendly, very easy as far as startup wizards, built-in startup wizards, go all the way up to 250 horsepower. We've got NEMA 1, NEMA 12, NEMA 3R, NEMA 4X enclosures. It doesn't get that much better as far as a couple other things, upgraded circuit board, a diagnostic board to make it easier for the user to diagnose any issues. It's even got a real futuristic service switch, which you can user can utilize to keep all the power going to the motor, and you could still replace the drive while not taking down your equipment. So
That's
those
a
are just
huge piece right there. Yeah.
It's an override switch. It's a little bit nicer, price to compete, guaranteed to last, reliable. And in the drive world today, price, reliability, and user friendliness are some of the most important features.
Completely agree, and what I'm hearing on the street is your wizards are really wonderful. I mean, a lot of the other manufacturers have really easy to use wizards. What I'm hearing is you guys have some sophisticated algorithms in there that maybe some of the others don't, that make it a little bit easier to set up more complicated applications.
Yeah, the commissioning is a lot easier. Not only do we have a startup wizard for the VFD itself, but we also have it for the bypass. Having it for the start up for the bypass is really important, which other manufacturers do not have that feature.
Well, they don't. So definitely check Siemens out there on the voting ballot. Voting ends January 15th, so get busy. You got to vote if you haven't voted already.
Get out there, vote for Siemens. We've got some great products. The Innovative Product of the Year, the PIC valve.
Yeah, let's talk about that. So you guys are nominated for the Innovative Product of the Year as well. So you got the variable frequency drive and also the Innovative Product of the Year with your PIC valve. What makes your PIC valve different?
Because it's 3 devices in one compared to other manufacturers out there. We've got our flow limiter, we've got our control valve, and we've also have our automatic differential pressure regulator all built into one device. Also on our flange glow valves, we go from ANSI 125 and ANSI 250 variants, where some manufacturers only have ANSI 125. So for those large high rises out there, it's important to have that ANSI 250 option.
And you guys are also up for Vendor of the Year.
As large manufacturers go, it's, you know, in this ever-changing and ever-evolving industry, you know, we're very appreciative to be nominated for Control Trends Vendor of the Year for the large manufacturer, up against obviously some other great companies out there. However, with our customer service, our support, our pricing, our product innovation, I really think Siemens, it should be strongly considered to win that category this year.
Well, I think the other thing too about the Control Trends community, Josh, is that it's a worldwide community, and if you think about Siemens on a worldwide scale, you guys are the big gorilla, right? I mean, you guys, if you're not the largest, you've got to be close to being the largest.
One of the largest manufacturers out there. You know, obviously we have many other divisions of Siemens, but our building technology division's always been one of the most profitable and best divisions for Siemens. So.
And you guys are also up for an analytic tool, which I don't think is, you mentioned the different divisions, which I don't think is your division, but
right.
We met at the Ibicon Realcomm show. We actually got to stop by and get a demonstration of that. This is a product that comes to your branch. Very, very powerful product. I'd encourage you to go back on Control Trends. You can see a video demo of that product.
Siemens Advantage TM Navigator, yep.
Yeah, good product, good product. On behalf of the Control Trends community, Siemens came on in a big time way this year. You guys are platinum sponsors for the Control Trends Awards. And I'll tell you, Josh, without enlightened companies like Siemens supporting the Control Trends Awards, they just won't happen. But it's going to be a big time in Chicago.
Looking forward to it. Can't wait to see you. And you know, we are excited. Saw how important, how the Control Trends community was growing. Knew we had to be a part of it in a big way, which is why we did the platinum sponsorship this year. And we're really looking forward to seeing everybody in Chicago.
Well, appreciate it. So come to the Control Trends Awards January 26th from 6 to 8 at the Hyatt. You can see Josh and the rest of the team Siemens at the 2014 Control Trends Awards. Tickets is sold out, so you got to reach out to our sponsors. Reach out to this guy right here. He'll be the guy with the fedora, the pinstripe suit. He'll probably be armed and dangerous. Well, dangerous anyway. So definitely reach out to Josh, see him at the awards. Thanks so much for your platinum sponsorship, and thanks for stopping by and talking with us.
We'll see you in Chicago. Thank you.
See you in Chicago. Da, 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 da.